He's another fancy remote control. It's the very same as last one. My other video. But this time I gotta test it out. There's fancy stuff around. So yeah. This time we test this out because we haven't tested this out, so let's press it. Not working. Heard it clicking. It's not working. It's got no TV. It's already got damage, be beaten, and broken. Work, stupid thing. I guess it's stupid. No one's gonna get beaten. Oh, stupid dumb hand. Stupid thing. That happen every time I whack something. My clock keeps moving because of the stupid shelf. Stupid thing. Aw, stupid cloth. So annoying. Hang on. Let me just adjust it. Well, I found out my other clock got caught on the other one. That's probably why. Gotta bring that to blue. I gotta take that back to blue car. Huh. Clock get caught. Tuh. That'd be right. Make things get caught. How stupid. Stupid thing. Stupid thing. Oh, I'm had enough of this cloth. And it's brand new. I don't know why. Blue Cat said this one's mine. But where's the other one? Probably Blue Cat got it. Stupid thing. How difficult and stupid. Thing. Stupid thing. Time for this remote. Throw it towards my wardrobe.